guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another FASHOM unboxing. So I told you guys that I was going to give FASHOM another try, and I want to give them a fair try. So I was even more inspired to give FASHOM another try after I saw Georgia Sunshine's vlog. So they actually did like a meetup with FASHOM in Nashville, and after I was able to learn a bit more about the behind the scenes of the company, and when I found out that the founder is a woman, and I'm all about women empowerment here, so uplifting women here, I'm all about that. So I definitely wanted to give FASHOM another try, especially since they did like a sneak peek of their fall items. So in my note that I sent to my stylist, I mentioned that I wanted everything that she can get her hands on for the fall line, because I fell in love with pretty much everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox. So FASHOM is a subscription styling service where you fill out a questionnaire and your stylist picks pieces for you. And what I love about FASHOM is they send you a preview, so you can see a list of things that your stylist is pulling for you. And if there's something you don't like, then you can go ahead and let your stylist know, like, hey, these pieces are not for me, can we try something different? So you kind of know ahead of time what you're getting, and I absolutely love that. And you get a discount just by buying 3 items. You don't have to buy all 5 items. You get a discount starting at purchasing 3. So you get a 30% discount if you keep all 5, and then you get a 25% discount if you buy 3 or 4. And then they have a referral program as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything and see what they picked out for me. So the first thing on here is a kimono, and I haven't had a good kimono in quite some time. So this is from the brand Les Amis. So this is the brand right here, and it is a floral chiffon print kimono. So this is absolutely perfect, especially here in Southern California, because we don't get fall weather. And from the same brand is this like waffle material sweater. I absolutely love this, but what I love mostly about this is that it is a light sweater, so you can even kind of see like my hand through, and this is the perfect sweater that a Southern Californian needs in the fall. Like literally that's all we need. And that could transition to the holidays, it could transition to Valentine's Day as well, and burgundy is one of my absolute favorite colors. Okay, so the next thing in here is from 22nd, and it looks like it's just a blouse, and it's kind of like pink, like a pinky peach with light blue and navy stripes. And then the back detail is really fun as well. I definitely wouldn't wear that open back, but I definitely would put a cami underneath. So this is super cute. So far I am liking pretty much everything. And the next thing in here is a midi skirt. So this is from the same brand as the other 2 tops are. So I like the mid-length skirt. So I think that is I think that's really fun. And then it's kind of on trend with the leopard that's going around. And then the last thing in here is what is this? Looks like it's a jumpsuit. And this is from the brand Chris and Carol. So it is a black jumpsuit, it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and then I'll come back and talk prices with you guys. So let's go and try all this stuff on. Alrighty guys, so this is the first top that I'm trying on, and overall it fits me really well. And this is the back detail. Let me see if I can get you guys like a better angle. Okay, so this is what the back looks like. I don't like the back part. Otherwise, I think the shirt is definitely really fun, but just for, this is just not something that I would go for. Sorry if you guys don't really have a good angle. So this is what the back of the shirt looks like, and it's definitely not something that I would go for. But I think that the print of the shirt, like if this was just like a plain t-shirt, I would totally go for it. But it also doesn't really like complement my figure. I feel like it makes me look like bigger than I really am. So I definitely would say that I'm probably gonna pass on this top. So as for this top, I knew the second I saw it that this needed to be mine. So I am absolutely gonna be keeping this little top sweater. I love the little ruching detail that it has right at the waist area, and I just love the color because burgundy is a really good color on me. So this is definitely something that is gonna stay with me. Alrighty guys, so this is the black jumpsuit, and I think it is really flattering to my body type, but the only thing that I'm having an issue with is the length of it because I'm pretty tall, I'm 5'7". So it kind of is a little flooded on me unless this is like what they were trying to go for. But overall, I think the cut of it is really flattering, especially like the V-neck neckline right here. So I think that this is really cute. But I already have a jumpsuit, a black jumpsuit, so I'm definitely not someone who likes to, you know, double up on things. This is absolutely something that you could go ahead and request in your fashion box. So I think this would be a really cute like date night outfit. Definitely something you could play up for like holiday parties. It's never too early to think about holiday parties. And this is the kimono that would absolutely pair really well with this. And I think that I'm probably gonna have to keep the kimono because this is absolutely stunning. Like I totally could see myself wearing this with like some jeans. And I just think it's really nice and flowy and airy and definitely very cute for like a date night. So this is absolutely something I'm definitely going to be keeping for sure. The kimono is gonna be mine. All right, you guys, so this is the skirt. And I have to say, I think that this is really cute. I was definitely on the fence on if I wanted to keep it or not just because of like the print, but I think that it's really cute. And I just paired it with like a basic white tank to kind of share with you guys like how you potentially could dress this up. And then this is a really easy outfit just to like throw a denim jacket over. You could sport some booties. You could even sport some like tennis shoes if you want it to be a little bit more casual. Or you could definitely play it up with like a heel. And I think this would be a really fun, like, I don't know, like a work outfit, but then you can kind of sexify it up, like if you're going out on a date or something. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this skirt. Like, I'm kind of digging it. So I definitely need you guys to help me out to decide if I should keep this or not. I've definitely been on the hunt for like a fun midi skirt, and I think that this is the one for me. So you guys are gonna need to help me on this skirt for sure. All right, you guys, so now let's go ahead and talk about the pricing. So as you can see, the tags are off on this sweater. So this guy is mine because I'm already wearing it. So this Les Amis top is $42. So this is mine, I'm keeping it. So the 22nd crisscross back knit top, this is priced for $38. Now the cheetah midi skirt, this is priced for $46. And the black jumpsuit is priced for $49. And the kimono, which I absolutely love as well, is $45. So right now I'm leaning towards the kimono, the sweater top, as well as the midi skirt. So with me getting 3 items, I'm gonna be able to take 25% off. So let me know in the comment section below if I need to keep this skirt because I am absolutely loving it. So I just want to give a big thanks to FASHOM for sending me over this box. This is not a sponsored video. This is just my opinion. I've tried out FASHOM. I think this is maybe like my 4th box I've gotten. And what I have to say with them now versus the other 3 boxes I've gotten from them is I really think that they're listening to feedback from influencers as well as other customers, because I can definitely tell that the quality and like the design of their clothing that they're sending now, the quality is definitely up in my opinion, and I think that the styles are a lot cuter. So I definitely would go ahead and give FASHOM a try. So if you use the link below, you're gonna get $10 in credit for trying out your first box, and the styling fee for them is only $15. So I think that they're worth a try, especially if you enjoy treating yourself every once in a while. I would say definitely take a look at FASHOM, and I absolutely love that FASHOM is ran by women. So I think that this is awesome and a way for us to get out there and support other women, because that's definitely something that we need to be doing here as a community, is lifting each other up, and I'm all about supporting other women. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comment section below if I need that cheetah skirt in my life, because I'm gonna leave it to you guys to decide my fate here. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day with whatever you are doing, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.